לקלוט כמה אני נבוך מהמצב הזה. אז קצת אחרי שהתראיינתי אצל ליאן, דרך שנה וחצי, התחלתי לעבוד פה, במקום שהכיל קבוצה מצומצמת משמעותית יותר של אנשים ממה שיש פה עכשיו. שהיה מין אסופה של זרים במקום זר ומקום זה מפחיד, אבל חדש. אחרי שנה וחצי, אז אני חושב שאנשים קצת פחות זרים, לא אגיד כלומר מוזרים, אבל קצת פחות זרים מאז. המקום בטח הרבה פחות זר ומפחיד, הוא הפך להרגיש קצת כמו בית, בין היתר בגללכם. את יודעת, משהו חדש. אולי מפחיד זה מילה קצת חזקה. אז כמו שאתם מכירים, יש פה מסורת, ב-FYI הראשון אנשים חדשים צריכים להביך את עצמם קצת, אז באותו FYI הראשון איכשהו לא זרם לי. עידו הסכים ליפול על הרימון בשבילי ולקפוץ על כיסא ולרקוד או משהו, עידו, מי שלא הכיר, אז זה לכם. הוא לא שם בלונים, נכון. אבל טוב, אז ב-FYI הראשון לא הבכתי את עצמי, אז נראה לי שאני אביך את עצמי טיפונת עכשיו. טוב, אז זה ה-FYI האחרון שלי ב-Y, אולי, כן, אולי לא, או כותרת אחרת למצגת הזאת, הלוואי והייתי מוריד יותר תמונות מאירועים של המעבדה. טוב, אז אמרתי קטע אומנותי, ובלי יותר מדי דרמה של עצמי, אז אני פשוט טוויסט קטן על שיר מוכר. יש קטע צליל קטן, ספוילר. אוקיי. Ladies and gentlemen of Yao Labs Israel, wear sunscreen. If I could offer you only one tip for the future, sunscreen would be it. The long-term benefits of sunscreen have been proven by scientists and pale, pasty programmers, whereas the rest of my advice has no basis more reliable than my own meandering experience. I will dispense this advice now. דמיינו שזה חזק יותר. טוב, אז מסתבר שאין שום גרסה אינסטרומנטלית של השיר הזה באינטרנט, ואין שום כלי נורמלי שמוריד מילים משיר. אני מאשים את כל החבר'ה של Signal Processing, אורן, אני מסתכל עליו ברכה. אז תדמיינו שהמוזיקה מתנגנת ברקע. אני אמשיך פלוס מינוס עם המלל הזה עם טוויסט שיותר רלוונטי לחבר'ה. Enjoy the power and scalability of Hadoop. Oh, never mind. You will not understand the power and scalability of Hadoop until they're gone. But trust me, when the time comes, you'll look back at your workspace and recall in a way you can't grasp now how much possibility lay before you and at how much data you really looked. Pig is not as fast as you imagine. Don't worry about the future. Or worry, but know that worrying is as effective as trying to solve a classification problem by chewing bubblegum. The real troubles in your life are apt to be things that never crossed your worried mind. The kind that blindsides you at 10 p.m. during some pointless meeting. Learn one thing every day that amazes you. Write scripts. Don't be reckless with other people's code. Don't put up with people who are reckless with yours. Smile. Don't waste your time on jealousy. Sometimes you're ahead, sometimes you're behind. The race is long, and in the end, it's only with yourself. Remember compliments you receive. Forget the insults. If you succeed in doing this, tell me how. Keep your old bravos. Throw away your old Discord and notifications. Stretch. Don't feel guilty if you don't know what you want to research next. The most interesting people I know didn't know at 32 what they wanted to research. Some of the most interesting 50-year-old researchers I know still don't. Get plenty of calcium. Use your share of Cebus. You'll miss it when it's gone. Maybe you'll patent, maybe you won't. Maybe your project will launch, maybe it won't. Maybe you'll retire at 40. Maybe you'll yodel on your 25th Yahoo anniversary. Whatever you do, don't congratulate yourself too much, or berate yourself either. Your choices are half chance. So are everybody else's. Explore your data. Use it every way you can. Don't be afraid of it or what Paranoid thinks of it. It's the greatest resource you'll ever own. Legal. Play games. Even if you have nowhere to do it, but in your own kitchen. Read the Twiki, even if you don't follow it. Do not fill in unnecessary forms, they will only make you feel stupid. Get to know your bosses. You'll never know when they'll move away. Be nice to your teammates. They're your best link to your past projects and the people most likely to collaborate with you in the future. Understand that friends come and go, but with a precious few, you should hold on. Work hard to bridge the gaps in geography and lifestyle, because the older you get, the more you need the people you knew when you were young. Live in New York City once, but leave before it makes you hard. Live in Northern California once, but leave before it makes you soft. Travel. Accept certain inalienable truths. Code will fail to compile, management will change, you too will grow old. And when you do, you'll fantasize that when you were young, programs immediately did what you wanted them to do, management was stable, and people respected their managers. Respect your managers. Don't expect anyone else to support you. Maybe you have a joint goal with someone. Maybe you'll have an energetic intern. But you never know when either one might run out. Don't mess with your work chair. Lower back support is really important for both your short-term work concentration as well as your long-term health. I can't stress this point too much. A good way of emphasizing this is saying that if you don't take care of your back, then by the time you reach 40, you'll feel 85. Be careful whose advice you buy, but be patient with those who supply it. Advice is a form of nostalgia. Dispensing it is a way of fishing the past from the disposal, wiping it off, painting over the ugly parts, and recycling it for more than it's worth. But trust me on the sunscreen. Okay. I'm gonna take this.